So this program is the Explore Trades section for the students to get an idea of what sort of careers they might be interested in and get a taste of a little bit of carpentry, a little bit of electrical, a little bit of plumbing. We've framed up an 8-foot by 8-foot sort of shed, and inside though we're going to be putting in bathroom fixtures, and so with that we're putting in the plumbing fixtures that go with it and the electrical to a light, an outlet and a switch.
The best part is just networking with other people in the same job, basically finding out tricks that they do in their shops that work, and finding out where they're from and what the classes are like and what their budgets are like and what's working and what's not working. Yeah, just kind of the networking is the biggest part.
The trades teachers that have come in are using trade-specific tools, some of which I have never seen before, and I think they're incredible, so I'm going to have to go out and get them.
Well, I'd be looking forward to teaching this at the school and getting kids more interested on the trade side, as well as thinking still about design thinking and problem solving through each process.
I just would take back confidence or a little bit of reassurance that I've been shown the right way to show them. So a little bit of confidence and the knowledge that it's easy to sort of transfer those skills to them, or the knowledge, yeah.
A lot of little tricks will make my life a lot easier that I learned from these guys who are teaching the course, and it's been great.